Hi, beautiful. Did you see that I made you some toast? It's on the table. Where? It's on the table over there. Table. That's where. You want tangerine? You like tangerines, don't you? Yummy. Come on. Let me pull it apart. She's like, it's too big. I'm just little mommy. There you go. See? This is how cockatiels are. They're very picky. She wouldn't eat it until the little white pieces was exposed. She could grab the tiniest little bite. I get it. I like small bites too. I chop up everything before I eat it. This is why I even buy her like special food, because she has such a tiny beak. And all my life I got told I had like a really tiny mouth, and the dentist hated working on my teeth. Like, they would complain the whole entire time. What are you eating? Or what are you watching while you're eating? You're like eating it and then looking at the ceiling. We just watched a spider movie the other night, so we're keeping an eye on things. We're paranoid right now. Yeah, mommy saw a gigantic lizard on her walk home from getting coffee. It came like right up on the sidewalk. I don't know, it came out of the grass onto the sidewalk. And then I like freaked out and stepped back, and it went around this like post, and then I was curious, so I peeked around the post, and then it scared the lizard and it climbed up the post. Yeah, that's what I've seen on my journey. Plus I seen a hawk also. I always see the same hawks, I think. I don't know if they're different. Where are you going? Back to your... She still thinks that she's making baby cockatiels. I think lemon drop is just too old to have babies with. Want more? It's good, huh? It's good for you. Tangerines are very healthy for you, my love.